Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? So I thought I would go ahead and throw in a quick little bonus video because I got my Boxycharm box today and I thought I would do a quick unboxing. I am affiliated with Boxycharm, so I have an affiliate link, which means if you click it, I do make a small commission and they send me PR. So this was gifted to me, but I'm going to give you my opinions, my honest opinions on the box as always. So let's just go ahead and jump on right in. All right, so there is a abnormal sheet this week, which has basically they're doing a bigger Boxycharm, which is $35 a month, and it has $175 value, better customization, more choices. There's like a whole thing they're doing starting in November. So I don't really know how that applies to me. I'm just going to go ahead and talk about this month's box. Alright, so the first thing I see that definitely catches my attention is a palette from Dose of Colors, and this is their Sassy Siennas palette. On the little sheet, it doesn't say Sassy Siennas, it says 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades, so I'm assuming that you'll get one of their different palettes. And it says this palette's a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye looks. It retails for $32. And I love Dose of Colors formula. I love their mattes. I think that they're kind of soft and kick-uppy, but they blend really, really well. And I just think they work for me. So I do have this palette already. In fact, I'm a fan. Slightly a fan of this formula. So I'm definitely going to save this and give it to a friend or someone who can use it because I already own it. I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like, at least from what my palette is. So here is the Sassy Siennas palette, which is really, really beautiful. It's just some super rich, warm tones. And I think if you take this and you use any shimmer, any really metallic, beautiful shimmer that you love, I just love the combination. So love this formula. And I'm excited that it's in the box. All right, let me pull up my calculator, $32. All right, next, I'm super excited about this. This is the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow spray. So I'm pretty sure you're supposed to shake it. And it says it's a hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that leave the skin with Iconic's glow. This stunning multi-use spray can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, add a radiant gloss to a bare face and body. It has chamomile, ooh, I bet it smells good, antioxidants, green tea, caffeine, and vitamin E. It's 100% vegan. It helps to condition skin, combat the look of dark circles, and leave your skin feeling revitalized and glowing. Wow, that's a lot of claims. I just thought it was a glowy spray. So now I'm extra excited. I think it's really beautiful. I see people use this all the time on Instagram tutorials. And it definitely looks really, really cool in the bottle as it's moving around. So I definitely will have to see. Sometimes it can be kind of weird with glowy sprays if they leave a cast on the face. But I guess because it has all the skincare in it, you could just use it when you're not wearing makeup. Whenever I'm almost finished with the video, we'll try it together and see how it goes. And if I like the finished look. So that retails for $29. And I'm pretty sure that Iconic London's cruelty-free, Dose of Colors is cruelty-free. So next is a new, I don't know. I've never heard of this product before. This is the Hank & Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo. So here's what it looks like. And it retails for $19. It's a vegan mascara. They're cruelty-free as well. And there's a duo wand. Okay, so... Oh, okay, so one side is for your upper lashes and the other side is for your lower lashes. The shade is Clout. That's really funny. So I'm not going to open this right now just because I have 3 mascaras open. I'm still using the Big Ego mascara maybe from Tarte that we got in Boxycharm 2 months ago that I've been liking. I have it on my lashes now. But I'm definitely excited about this, and I like the idea of having a separate one for your lower lashes and your upper lashes just because I have really, really long lower lashes, especially in comparison to my upper lashes, which are like little babies. So I feel like a lot of times I'll put mascara on my lower lashes and I have to sit there and do this, or because I just don't want it to be too much. I want it to be symmetrical. So I don't know. I'll try it, definitely. Excited about it. That's something I'll definitely use. All right, and that retails for $19 if I didn't say it already. So next is from Mellow Cosmetics, and we actually received a brow some type of brow product from them a few months ago, and I moved it into my giveaway pile just because I knew that it wasn't something I really saw myself using. And I'm going to do the same thing with this because this is their Tinted Brow Gel, and it's in the shade dark brown. So, I mean, look at my hair. Like, this is not my color at all. I really don't love when Boxycharm does brow products because I feel like everyone has such different hair colors. Like, how can, like, it's not universal unless it's clear. So not a big fan of this, but I'm just going to pass it on. It says that you can achieve an effortlessly tamed and tinted brow. It's a lightweight, non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator. And it's perfect to use over a powder or a pencil. Perfectly groomed eyebrows with no mess. So I think that all sounds nice. It's just not the right shade for me. So that retails for $16, and Mellow is cruelty-free. So last but not least in this month's box is an eyeliner, and this is from Hollywood and Vine. It's their Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Liner, retails for $7. I've never heard of this brand before, and it just looks like a pencil, like black liner. So I don't think I'm going to use this because I have black liners open. I don't really love pencil liners in my waterline, and I don't know, I'm looking at it and maybe I'm wrong. Like, maybe it could be like the super, like, most creamy pencil ever, but I highly doubt it. I just have a feeling. I feel like this feels literally the exact same as like the Wet n Wild pencils you would get for like 99 cents. So I'm going to pass this on again to a friend who might need a black liner because I have black liners open and this type of black liner is not my favorite. So it says that retails for $7. The total value is $103, which is like the lowest Boxycharm value box I've seen in a hot minute. Normally it's like $125 or something along those lines. So this box isn't my favorite just because there's products that I know like I would not use. I really do like this palette, so I'm excited that it's in the box, and I'm excited people are going to get it and hopefully fall in love with the formula because I think it's really, really nice, and I know I'm going to make someone super happy with it. So most exciting for me would definitely be the spray, and then I know that even though I'm not opening it right now, I will end up using the mascara, and I'm excited to try it. So let's just go ahead and use this spray real quick. Water Mist Original. Shake well for an even glow. Gently spray 12 inches away from your face with the eyes closed. Do all things say that? It says avoid contact with eyes. If product gets into eyes, rinse with water immediately. It's a setting spray. Well, well, actually it might be a priming spray technically. But ooh, that smells strong. But if you use it as a setting spray and you accidentally get it in your eyes, are you supposed to wash away all the makeup you just did? Okay. Okay. Whew! Oh man, I just breathed that in. Okay. I need a minute. Okay, so I have to look at my skin and see how it feels, but ooh, I'm still tasting this. This is an extremely strong scent. Like, it's honestly, it smells even stronger than the Gallardo Cosmetics setting sprays, which are very strong. So, like, I feel like I can taste it in my mouth. It's kind of disgusting. Like, the scent is okay. It's a little grandma-y, but I don't want to eat it. So, I mean, I guess it did add a little bit more of a glow. I don't see a ton of difference. I'm going to spray it on my arm, or my hand, just to see. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how strong it is. It just smells like something. It reminds me of something, but I can't place what it is. Yeah, I don't see... It's still drying, so that's obviously why it looks wet, but I don't see any like shimmer or sparkle in it, which I'm kind of surprised by just because it obviously looks so sparkly and you think it would add more glow, but I don't really see anything. So I'll definitely keep testing this out, although I can still taste it, so I'm not sure how I feel, but I'm excited to try it. So that's basically everything for today and for this quick little unboxing bonus video. I hope you enjoyed it, I would love to know if you've tried Boxycharm and what you think of them, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.